What's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy, Dragon Masters 525, aka Keon, coming at you with another video. And today, guys, we have a special video. So today, we ended up getting a tin. As you guys can see right here, a tin that someone graced us with, and we're gonna check it out. Because personally, I have no idea what's in here, so we're just gonna kind of go through it together, kind of check out what we got. And also, if you guys end up liking the video or watching the whole thing, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll talk more about that at the end. Without further ado, dude, let's fucking just open it up. Man, that's crazy. So let's see what we got first. So we got, let me move this. So we got Destiny board. That's pretty sick. So yeah. So there's Destiny board. Let's kind of just take chunks of this. So many cards. Good solid chunk. Alright, let's see what we get. Skilled Dark Magician, Pitch Black Power Stone, Spell Absorption, White Magician and Pikaru, Royal Magical Library, Big Wave, Small Wave, Rising Air Current, Old Vindictive Magician, two of them, another Royal Magical Library, a Mystic Box, Apprentice Magician, Ante, Harpy's Brother, Fire, Rising Air Current, another Dust Tornado, Mage Power, a Yame, a Sangam, Dark Factory Mass Production, Interdimensional Matter Transporter, an Island Turtle, Level Limit Area B, Dark Hole, Solemn Wishes, another Rising Air Current, Shadow of Eyes, another Interdimensional Matter Transporter, Death's Wombat, Amphibious, this is Burgroth, MK3, Creeping Doom Manta. Dude, this actually looks really fire. Another Big Wave, Small Wave, Unshaven Angler. Yo, dude, this thing looks fucking crazy. Another Shadow of Eyes, crushes cards from Neon, Torpedo Fish, Cannonball Spear Shellfish, a Deep Sea Warrior, another Creeping Doom Manta, and Jellyfish. I have no idea what this is. It's in Japanese, but it still looks pretty cool. Ooh, Red Eyes Black Dragon, Stamping Destruction, Big Guy, a Red Eyes Baby Chick, Element Dragon, DNA Transplant, Wall of Revealing Light, Destruction Ring, Soul Reversal. Yo, it's a Dark Magician. Huh? Hello? That's sick. At the Fusion Wave Motion, Special Type 8, and Gemini Elf. It's pretty cool. So there's one chunk. Trying to go through this as fast as much as possible. Struggling here. There's just so many cards. Alright. Gotta reload. Luster Dragon, Dragon's Rage, Dragon's Bead, Two-Headed Behemoth, Armor Dragon level 3, sick. Stamping Destruction, Reckless Greed, Different Dimension Capsule, Archfiend's Oath, Morale Boosts, Primal Seed, Weapon Change, Sword of the Soul Eater, Gather Your Mind, Pigeon holding books of spell. My body is a shield. Legendary ocean. Back to square one. Earth chant. Card shuffle. Dark snake syndrome. Call of the mummy. Buster rancher. Banner of courage. Soul reversal. Monster gate. Rod of silence. Chaos. Oh, that's what it is. Emma's Amazingness spellcaster. Twin swords of flashing light. Trice. Shooting star bow seal. Another 2 more. Amazingness spellcaster. Final countdown. Rare gold armor. 2. Frontline base. 2 more. 3 more. Jar robber. Another my body is shield. Goblin thief. Miracle restoring. 2 more mass dragons. A luster dragon. Dragon rage. 2 armor dragon level 5. And a level 3 and a stamp of destruction. Dude, I feel like we're on fire, dude. Like, these are some good cards, dude. It's just like, and this is how much we've like gone through so far. Like, that's not even all of it that's in here. It's insane. That's why I'm going so fast. Like, there's so much. Shinato's Arc, non-spell casting area, Cetus of Dagla, 2 checkmates, secret passive treasures, Rod of the Mind's Eye, Seal reproduction. Yo, Dian Keto the Cure Master. That's pretty sick. Useful. Fiend's Hammer, Hand Mirror, Sasuke Samurai number 2, The Sanctuary in the Sky, Hero Emerges, Energy Drain, DD Borderline, Primal Seed, a Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card tip card. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. What is this? This is number 4850. That's kind of cool. Gogia Gagagigo. Goo Gaga? No, it's the same. I'm kidding. Molten Zombie. The Cake Man. Elephant Statue of Disaster. Metal Armored Bug. Oja Magic. It's funny. Infernal Incinerator. Rollout. Zur Knight of the Dark World. Gateway to the Dark World. Branch. Mystic Shine Ball. Blazing Impachi. Space Mambo. Terra King Salmon. 3 Terra King Salmon. Octoberser. Giga Gaga Gigo. Another one. Fenrir. Another Reload. Mother Grizzly. Gravity Bond. Sea Serpent Warrior of Darkness. Another Mother Grizzly. Another Front Rear. Spell Shield type 8. Kaiser Colosseum. Remove Trap. Tower Bar above. Eyes of Shadow of Eyes. Secret Barrel. Physical Double. Disarmament. Exhausting Spell. Anti-Spell. Hidden Book Spell. And another Exhausting Spell. Man, these names are exhausting. like my man, it's just insane. There's just like more and more cards. It's another stack. So we're at Soul Absorbing Bone Tower, Sasuke Samurai number 3, Legendary Flame Lord, that's pretty sick, Star Boy, Cannon Soldier, Flint, Tsukuyomi, another Legendary Flame Lord, who's this? Elegant Egotist, it's for the Heartbeaters, Cyberjaw, Tribute Doll, Desk wall. Ultimate insect number level 5. Oh, big tusk mammoth. Pyramid turtle. Bing bang shot. Combination attack. This looks kind of fire. Fuma shuriken. Megaton magical cannon. Shushin sword. What is this? Murasame blade? Like, dude, this is just like insane, dude. Like, super insane. Ancient Gear Beast. DD Crazy Beast. Wicked Breaking Flameburge Bow. Tulo. Spirit Massage N and L. Apprentice Magician Tulo. Continuous Destruction Punch. A Nitro Unit. Nataza the Zapper. Ultra Evolution Pill. Serial Spell. Meteor of Destruction. Nataza the Zapper again. Contract with the Abyss. Necklace of Command. Different Dimension Gate. Fuma Shuriken. Metalizing Parasite. Lunatite. Follister Dragon the Dual Mode Beast. Some of these card arts look crazy. These actually super well to me. Rivalry of the Warlords. Disarmament. Formation Union. Meteor Rain. Thunder Ruler. Another Rivalry of Warlords. And a Book of Spells. Disarmament. Formation Union. Rivalry of Warlords. Final Attack Orders. Zero Gravity. Another Final Attack Orders. Staunch Defender. Final Attack Orders. Battle Scarred. Trample. I think every deck should have Trample. Dice Reroll. Another Call of the Mummy. Another Buster Rancher. Another Call of the Mummy. Another Buster Rancher. Another Big Wave, Small Wave. Lighten the Load. Yo, what? That's crazy. Harpy's Hunting Ground. Okay, this is fire. I like that. I kind of want to build a Harpy deck. Fusion Weapon. Another Harpy's Hunting Ground. Uzaki. Checkmate. Pandemonium. Token Thanksgiving. Destroy all tokens on the field. Increase your life points by the number of tokens destroyed by 800 points. Ew, I like this card. Metal Silver Armor. Autonomous Action Unit. White Dragon Ritual. It's pretty cool. Demotion. Gather Your Mind. Another Kaiser Colosseum. And another Jar Rotter. Got everything coming on, getting stacked. The card, what I'm noticing is like the card art keeps getting like super crazy. I really like the card art, and I like the fact that like everything has like its own kind of like vibe to it, and I like I don't know, just the overall aesthetic and like the thought and process into like making like super good I don't know, just card art. Amazingness Blowpiper. Reduce a Worm. Double Attack. White Ninja. Mispolymerization. Threatening Roar. Another Mispolymerization. King of the Skull Servants. Mind Golem. Grave Ruler. Coach Goblin. Okay. Another Sasuke Samurai number 3. Man with Wajat. Open your third mind. Your eyes mine. Gyaku, Giri Panda. Okay. Koitsu. This guy looks fire. Blue Guardian Bow. Another Shooting Star Bow Seal. I'm getting bamboozled here. We got a Twin Swords of the Flashing Light, Trice, Shooting Star Bow Seal, Setsas of Dagla, DD Borderline, Chaos End, Recycle, Ojama Delta Hurricane, 2, a Recycle, a multiplication of ants, Chaos Greed, Rod of Silence, Chaos, another Shooting Star Row, Seal, hey, a D-Spell. Ladies and gents, we got a D-Spell, dude. Another Chaos Greed, Chaos End, DD Borderline, Primal Seed, Yellow Luster Shield, Disturbing Strategy, Ready for Intercepting, Ride of Spirit, Pyro Clock of Destiny, another Disturbing Strategy, Non-Aggression Area, gosh, this seems like crazy, Nutrient Z, Furin Kazan, Curse of Aging. I remember this card. As a kid, I remember seeing this card. Arsenal Robber, Blasting Ruins, Energy Drain, Hero Emerges, my poor John, DNA Transplant, 2, Staunch Defender, Archfiend's Roar, yo, a Rush Recklessly. I remember this card. Ooh, another Trap Hole, Double Coston. Okay, this is pretty cool. Flower Wolf, Silver Fang, and a Dark World Thorn. That's cool. Elemental Mistress, Doriado. Wandering Mummy, another Tsukuyomi, a Legendary Flame Lord, 2 more. Another Death Koala, a Death Feral Imp, Spirit Message Eye, Pandemonium, Different Dimension Gate, a Fusion Sword, Muramasa Blade, an A-Team Trap Disposal Unit, Flight, another Elegant Egoist for the Harpies, Mad Dog of Darkness, and Spirit Message A, Dark Chiroid, Enraged Battle Ox, and Witch of the Black Forest, dude. Okay, the Battle Ox, dude, look at this. Got that Seto Kaiba deck on hand, dude. That's fire. Alright. You should see, like, what these piles are looking like. They're just getting thicker by the minute. I'm keeping, like, special cards, stuff that I'm interested in, to the side. Stuff that, like, I want to build. Just grabbed, like, a huge clone. Look at this. Like, it's thick. It's so thick. Alright, Frontline Base. Drag Down into the Grave. Hey, another tip card. Score. Big money. Deathstroke Archfiend. Caldo. Creature Swap. Another Zero Knight of the Dark World. Familiar Possessed. What is this? Asusa. Chthonian Soldier. Hocha Magic. A Y-Wing Catapult. Hydrogeddon. Simultaneous Laws. Each player sends a top card from a deck to the graveyard. That sucks. Dark Lord Lightning. Etalile Cyber. And the VY Tiger Catapult, okay. Dark Deal. Mask of the Accursed. Deep Sea Warrior. Another Great White. Aquamador. Another Creeping Dumanta. High Tide Gyojin. 2 High Tide Gyojins. Another Star Boy. Gagagigo. Spike Seedra. Another Gagagigo. That's good. Wobaku. Good card. Heat to the Fire Charmer. Lost Guardian. Kaminote Blow. Another Guardian Statue. Amphibious Burgoth. Mark 3. Hey, a Part of Greed, dude. Fire. Pot of Greed. Sakuretsu Armor. Tornado Wall. Another Swords of Revealing Light. Mermaid Knight, Magic Reflector, Tornado Wall, Salvage, Premature Burial, Two Mouth, Dark Ruler, Boar Soldier, Heavy Storm, Legendary Ocean, another Sekuretsu Armor, another Mermaid Knight, another Sekuretsu Armor, oh my gosh, Levia Dragon, Daedalus, Legendary Ocean, that's actually kind of cool, another Gravity Bind, another Burning Beast, Magical Marionette, another Burning Beast, Soul Absorbing Bone Tower, another Creature Swap, another Pot of Greed, hey, and a Black Hole. Give me that. Trap Jammer. Oh, cool. It's a Japanese card. That's sick. You know, I can't read the Japanese cards. I still think it's pretty cool. Curse of Anubis. Nemuriko. Steel Ogre Grotto #1. Monster Egg. Twin Swords of Flashing Light thrice. Armeral. The 13th Grave. Upstart Goblin. Weather Report. It looks like he's pooping out clouds, my man. Dude, it looks like he's pooping out clouds. Refusion. Release Restraint for Gearfree. Catnip Kitty. Oh. Dark Hex Seal Fusion. There's 2 Catnip Kitties. And a Plate Rabbit. Another Refusion. Majigiri Panda. Whirlwind Prodigy. And a Rescue Cat. So sick. So I got the I feel like we're scoring so hard in cards, dude. Like, can't believe we got all these like for free, dude. They were donating the cards and they asked me if I wanted it, and I was just like, dude, throw them my way. I haven't even checked it in already, dude. It is crazy. These 2 cards look fire too. Alright, so I got Rugby. Can't even fucking see. I got Pale Beast. Mysterious Puppeteer. Dark Titan of Terror. Dark Assailant. Minar. Wall Shadow. Ancient One of the Deep Forest. Liquid Beast. Twin Long Rods #2. Flame Manipulator. Reverse Trap. Rogue Doll. Okay, this is actually fire. I think this is from Pegasus deck. Armored Lizard. Twin-Headed Fire Dragon. Also, someone let me know if that's from Pegasus deck. Baron of the Feed Sword. House of the Adhesive Tape. Mechanical Snail. The Eye of Truth. Master and Expert. Armored Zombie. Mystic Probe. Invigoration. Judge, man. Judgment is judging me. 2-pronged attack. Castle Walls. Dome of the Angel of Silence. Masaki, Legendary Swordsman. Eternal Rest. Another weather report is funny. Final Destiny. Yo, a Ryu run. That's actually kind of cool. Peacock. Stone Ogre Grotto. Ultimate Offering. The Stern Mystic. And the Wicked Worm Beast. Looks nasty. Looks like a butthole that's like it's coming out. Ugh. Gross. Unknown Warrior, a Fiend, Mystic Clown, classic. Destroyer Golem, Remove Trap, Reinforcement, Mystic Horseman. Look at that Centaur guy. Got like a halberd scythe. Skull Redbird. Fire. Terra the Terrible. Another Mystic Clown. Another Ryu Ron. Sword Stalker. Woody Phantom. Got a Dehuman. Hitotsumi Giant. Yo, this is definitely in Kaiba's deck. Kojikasi. Gyaku Tenno Megami. Megami Tensei, not just kidding. Ryu Kenshin. These names are getting harder. Flame servers, except for that one. Infinite Dismissal. Ansuatsu. Drillbug. Psychic Kappa. That thing looks like a Kappa if I've ever seen one. Flying Kamakiri number 2. Three-headed Gedo. Trapmaster. Earthshaker. Magical Ghost. Got another reverse trap. Got another House of Adhesive Tape. Got 7 completed. A Hungry Burger. Oh my gosh. Okay. A Pixie Knight. Fruits of Kiyosaki Studies. Got another tip card. Number 3350. Makes 3 tip cards so far. Pitch Black Werewolf. Ballista Rampart Smashing. Firefox. Back to square one. Jinjenju, or Shinjenhu. Another Harpy's Hunting Ground. Hey, it's a Harpy girl. Nobleman Eaterbug. Threatening Roar. Salvage. Big Wave, Small Wave. 7 colored fish. Altar for Tribute. Spatial Collapse. Arsenal Robber. Ray of Hope. Arshween's Roar. Staunch Defender. Really Eternal Rest. Another 2. Another Staunch Defender. Another Arshween's Roar. Kiro Emerges. Fiend's Hand Mirror. Another Fiend's Hand Mirror. Another one. Final Attack Order. Fiend Comedian. Miracle Restoring. Frozen Soul. Another Jing Zen Hu. Another Altar for Tribute. And a Mind Horror. Haxers. An Astral Barrier. And another Zing Zang Hu. Oh, fuck, dude. Like, we're almost there. We're almost there to finishing up the 10 and checking out the whole thing. Dude, this is tough, dude. Let me tell you the names. Just reading through all the abilities, seeing all the trap cards, spell cards, all that stuff. Honestly, insane. This is a lot. Like, this is a lot. I never thought I'd be opening up this many cards. This is like the last bit of it. And after that, we'll wrap up the video. Alright. We got Burning Land, Dragged Down into the Grave, Rod of Silence Chaos, Dr. DD Borderline, Gravity Axe Grawl, a true Change of Heart, a Mass Driver, Potion of the Old Man, Metal Silver Armor, Rare Gold Armor, Moral Boost, another Token Thanksgiving, a Soul Absorption, Token Thanksgiving again, another Moral Boost, Fairy of the Spring, Fallen Down, Contract with Exodia, okay, that's fire, Soul Reversal, Monster Gate, Lighten the Load, Hieroglyphs, Lithogryph, Reversal Quiz, Back to Square One, Siege of Stagla, Star Goblin, Dark Energy, Ballista of Rampart Smashing, Back to Square One, Jade Insect Whistle, Gravity Axe Garl, Jade Insect Whistle, Primal Seed, Multiplication of Ants, Primal Seed, Jade Insect Whistle, Primal Seed, Spell Reproduction, Rod of the Mind's Eye, Falling Down, Token Thanksgiving, Moral Boost, another Ballista Rampart Smashing, Dragon's Gunfire, okay, Super Rejuvenation, another Reload, another Space Buster, Buster Rancher, Seed of Stagla, Metal Silver Armor, another Heat of the, oh wait, I think this is new, Heart of the Underdog, the Giffin's Feather Duster, okay, yo, this is actually kind of fire, Jade Insect Whistle, Griffin's Feather Duster, another feather duster, recycle, chaos greed, another feather duster, soul absorption, thunder crash. Okay, look at the card art on that one, dude. Dude, it's fucking crazy. Gravity axe, twin swords, a flashing light, god of silence, nightmare penguin, homunculus of alchemic being, molten behemoth, time eater, twin-headed wolf, Jigen Bakuden, okay, sword of dark destruction, castle walls, dark hole, white magical hat, 4-starred ladybug of doom, an ultimate offering, the reliable guardian, just desserts, mountain, world suppression, ogre of black shadow, red archery girl, sick. Bite shoes, okay, don't put that on your feet. Earthshaker, type 0 magic crusher, 3-headed Gita, Maha Viola, penguin knight, giant turtle who feeds on flames. Like, dude, look at this card art. It's just so dirty looking. Like, the head is just so dumb. It's so dumb. Cold wave, fire kraken, swordsman of Lancer. Okay, this is one of those Yugi cards. See him? Burning land, beaver warrior, man-eating treasure chest, Yu Kenshin power, driving snow, driving treasure, another trap master, another eye of truth, a world suppression, a snake fang, and Rain of Mercy. Woo. So that is it, guys. That is it for the mystery bot, the little mystery 10, dude. Like, damn, was that crazy? We like, I'm telling you, like, when we cracked this 10 open, I did not expect there to be this many cards. Like, dude, there's a lot more cards than what I thought. Opening the 10 was really fun, and I wanted to shout out my friend who, donated me all these cards and stuff like that to open up on the channel and stuff. They were gonna donate it to the place anyway, so picked it up. Thought, you guys might like it, do like a more Yu-Gi-Oh content. But if you guys definitely like the mystery box opening or mystery tin opening, definitely give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, make sure to let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, if you guys want to see more box openings, or me cover more Yu-Gi-Oh! Like content, like deck profiles, doing card openings, stuff like that. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I'm on the road to 4K. We already hit 3.3K, and I couldn't make it this far without you guys. And make sure to hit the bell icon for more notifications so you guys don't miss another upload. But thank you for joining me in this mystery 10 opening. Yeah, this is me, your boy Dragon Masters 525, aka Keon, signing out.